In this video, I'll show you how to install DaVinci Resolve on macOS so you can start learning video editing. This is a very professional app, and the free version is already incredibly powerful for handling a lot of your workflow needs. Before upgrading to the studio version, you can completely test the waters with the free version first. First, open your browser and Google the keyword DaVinci Resolve. From there, head over to blackmagicdesign.com. Scroll down and you'll see a Free Download Now button. Go ahead and click that. It'll show two versions right here, a free version and a paid version. Download the free version by clicking the macOS X button. A window will pop up asking you to register an account. Just fill in the required fields marked with an asterisk. After that, click Register and Download. Click Allow if you're using Safari for the download. The app is pretty large. The current version 20.3 is about 3.37 gigabytes, so just give it a moment to finish downloading. You can check out a detailed comparison of the features between the free and studio versions using the article link I've left in the description below. There's a full comparison chart there for you. Keep in mind that when you decide to buy the studio version, the price shown up front is $295. But if you're in Asia and you click to purchase, the price might display as $412. The reason is that it's showing the exchange rate for Singapore dollars, so it seems higher, but the actual amount you pay is still $295 US. Blackmagic Design rarely runs discounts, but occasionally they do have sales where you can grab it for cheaper. Alright, moving back. Once the download is done, you'll have an installation file. Double-click it to open the window. Next, double-click the Install Resolve file. DaVinci might ask to install some additional support packages, so just click Install to proceed. If your Mac asks for a password, type it in and hit Install Software. Keep clicking Continue to move through the next steps. It requires 6 gigabytes of space here, so if you have enough room on your drive, just click Install. Once it's successfully installed, you'll see a message saying the installation was successful. Click Close, and then hit Move to Trash to delete the installer and free up your storage. Make sure to eject the virtual drive that was created during the installation. And now you're ready to use DaVinci Resolve. After installing, inside your Applications folder, there will be a DaVinci Resolve folder, and the app file is located in that subfolder. The first time you launch it, just click Continue, glance through the quick setup, or hit Skip to bypass it. And just like that, you're ready to start learning video editing with DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.